Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xfinity app not loading or stuck issue. First, check your internet connection and ensure that it is fast and stable, as loading problems are often network related. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Xfinity app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that may be causing the app to freeze. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Xfinity and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available. On Android devices, clear the app's cache from settings to remove any temporary files that may slow down or freeze the app. Now, if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to fix any corrupted files. If the app is still stuck, it could be due to server delays, so try again after some time. Then, that's how you fix the Xfinity app not loading or stuck. If you found this useful, do not forget to like,